Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I wanna show you Adobe Lightroom preset. This preset called Dark Steel. And it's gonna be like this. I also have preset file to download. But it's need password. Password will appear in this video. So, don't skip the video. But, if you don't want to download the preset file, you still can copy the preset from this video. Happy watching! For this preset, I recommend that your photo filter is not too dark. First, we go to Light menu. Change the exposure to plus 0.20. Plus 32 for contrast. Minus 44, highlight. Make the shadows to plus 70. Whites and black to minus 80. Now, we go to curve. And, make the curve, just like this. And press done. Now, we go to color menu. Change the temperature to plus 8. Tint plus 1. Vibrant minus 50. And minus 35 for saturation. Next part, to mix color. Skip the red one. To orange, change the hue to minus 10. Minus 10 for saturation. And plus 2 for luminance. Next to yellow. Hue minus 28. Saturation minus 60. Straight to the green. Hue minus 6. Saturation minus 100. Now, aqua color. Make the hue to plus 100. And saturation to minus 100. Blue. Hue to +20. Saturation to -86. And luminance to -60. The last one is purple. Hue +100. And saturation to -90. And let the magenta, just like that. We have done to color mix. Now, go to Effect menu. Change the settings like I did. Texture +12. Clarity +30. Dehaze +2. Vignette -16. And midpoint to -42. Split tone part. Make the shadow just like this. Hue is 211 and saturation is 18. Done. The last part, go to details. Sharpen to 10. Noise reduction to 39. And color, noise reduction to 20. And now we finish. Now, you can copy the preset settings. And paste it to all photos you want to edit. If you feel the result is too dark for you, you can add more exposure on the light menu. Okay, this is for today. Hope you enjoy and like my video. Click like and subscribe for more presets and another tutorial. Comment if you have a question. Thanks for watching DOC Project. See ya.